Welcome back to ThinkVote. Today we are playing Would You Rather Chainsaw Man Edition. Let's get started. Would you rather have the ability to transform into Chainsaw Man or wield Power's blood manipulation ability? Would you prefer to embark on a mission with Aki or join forces with Himeno? Would you choose to possess Denji's resilience or acquire Kishibe's combat experience? Would you opt to join the public safety devil hunters or pursue a career as an independent devil hunter? Would you rather form a contract with a powerful devil or possess a unique devil hunting weapon? Would you rather fight alongside Power or Kobani? Would you prefer to be under the mentorship of Kishibe or be guided by Makima? Would you rather encounter a devil in a city or face one in a rural area? Would you rather engage in close combat with a devil or fight using weapons from a distance? Would you prefer to handle a minor devil causing trouble or be part of a team tackling a major devil? Would you rather possess a devil's heart like Denji or have a resilient human spirit? Would you opt for using brute force to defeat devils or employing strategic planning to outsmart them? Would you rather live a peaceful life unaware of devil's existence or be an alert devil hunter? Would you rather become friends with Denji or Aki? Would you rather face a battle against Bat Devil or Leech Devil? Would you choose to become a famous devil hunter or remain anonymous but effective? Would you rather have a meal with Aki or Himeno? Would you rather sense devils or be immune to devils' fear-inducing aura? Would you rather have a pet devil like Pachita or have no connection to devils at all? Would you prefer to have a quirky personality like Power or a serious demeanor like Kishibe? I have a quick announcement. We made an app so you can play Would You Rather with your friends and family. There are thousands of questions in the app. Be sure to check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave your answers in the comment section. See you next time.